Hi, I am Shivam. This is VibeForces, LeetCode but for VibeCoders. Let me show you why that matters. I'll be blunt, LeetCode is dead, not as a product but as a signal. It tests a skill nobody ships with anymore, especially not in startups and especially not for SD1s and 2s. 80% of startups now write code by default. Non-software startups ship entire products on top of Claude and GPT. And yet here we are, still asking people, reverse a linked list on a whiteboard. LeetCode tests memorized algorithms and typing speed. But what actually ships in 2026 is clarity, debugging AI outputs, and architectural judgment, knowing when to let the model run and when to step in. DSA isn't dead, it's just not the full picture anymore. There are millions of vibe coders now, but no standard way to train them, test them, or rank them until now. And with hundreds of thousands of graduates graduating with CS degrees every year, it's really important to test and rank them. Introducing VibeForces, the complete platform where vibe coders train, rank, and prove they can ship. 3 surfaces: train, compete in live challenges, and have recruiters build tests, and then you train on them. I'll dive directly into the demo. So here's the landing page. Right now the software has been prototyped with 30 different challenges in 5 different categories for SD1 and SD2 level. Soon we'll also can add senior challenges and staff challenges. Here's how it works. So you can sign up either as a learner or as a recruiter. Let's say you sign up as a learner, so you see like the 30 challenges that you have right now. You can compete in contests that has been made by admins and compete on the live leaderboard. And again, as I talked, right now I have created 5 different challenges. We can have plethora of different types of questions in each category. So this is just like a topic, just like we had topics in DSA, this is just a topic in AI. So now for each of the topics, we have easy, medium, and hard questions. Let's look into some of the types of challenges. Here we have a target output, a code. You have to write a prompt to generate that code. What matters is accuracy, the tokens, and the time the AI takes. All of this prompt will go to GPT 4.1 for now in order to generate for all these challenges. So everyone has the same baseline. We can change that later. And then an AI or a human evaluates it. In this prototype, a GPT 5.4, a better version, evaluates that. In real time, we can also have a human in the loop. So again, this is the first type of challenge. A second type of challenge, listen to this voice note, which describes a REST API design, and then you have to prompt to create exactly that. You can only listen to it once or twice, that you don't actually copy paste that and describe that. Again, test on accuracy, tokens, and time. Another type of challenge, fix the error in that. Again, test on the accuracy and time and stuff like that. Another thing, given a scenario, given AI gives you 3 options, which you think is the best. Again, testing on architectural thinking. Another type of test, this is UI, you have to create this exact same UI, and like exact same UI you have to create, and as similar as that it would be to this UI, it will again be just on that, and of course tokens and time taken by you and by the AI both. Again, everyone has the same benchmark, so that can factor into the leaderboard. Now, this is a lot of factors that the leaderboard can actually have mass differences. Instead of LeetCode just having everyone scoring full because everyone well uses AI on LeetCode, it judges practically nothing nowadays. Here is the recruiter login as well, so you can create tests based on all available questions or create your own questions. When you create the test, you can get the link you can share with, so it's a link created. You can share this with the candidates and they can get scored on that. So for some tasks, evaluation takes time. So that's why I had a few tasks that have already been evaluated to show how that would look like, and then how the leaderboard for the entire thing and for that questions will look like. Coming back to how we plan to earn, again, it can be a freemium model for the developers. Do a few questions for free. If you want more, pay for it. And for recruiters, costing per tests, just like LeetCode, hacker ranking platforms like that. It's a very large market. There are no AI platforms that touch AI vibe coding, large market in the sense of DSA testing, but the whole thing needs to be changed. So that's why we need to do this now. So earlier the question was, can you write code from scratch? Now the question is, can you ship with AI?